Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arena, and I'm Debolina ma'am from Arena. So our today's topic is plastics. Okay, so you can say that plastic is also a polymer. Okay, plastic is also a polymer just like a synthetic fiber, but remember, it is just like a synthetic fiber. Okay, it is not a synthetic fiber, it is like a synthetic fiber. And the arrangements of the units of the plastic, it is not in a same position. Okay, it is not arranged in the same way. So you see here, suppose if I am drawing this one, so you see here, you can see that the arrangements, yes, it is done in the same way. So it is known as linear. Okay, but you see this, yes, it is linked with one another, right? It is linked. This is linked with this. This is linked with this. That is linked with this. Okay. Okay. So what is it? It is known as cross-linked. Okay. So as the arrangements of the units in plastic, it is not in the same way, it is not arranged in the same way. Okay, some are linear and some are also cross-linked. Okay, thermoplastics. Okay, so what is thermoplastics? You see, it can be deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. So just now I was talking about that some plastic, it can be easily bended. So the plastics which can be molded easily, which can be bended easily, okay, on heating, those are known as the thermoplastics. For example, the toys of the kids, they are all made up of this thermoplastics. Then the containers that we use at home to keep our snacks or cookies or whatever. So that containers are also made up of this thermoplastics. Okay, next we have thermosetting plastics. So what is thermosetting plastics? It is just the opposite of the thermoplastics. So you see here the thermosetting plastics, there are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. So there are some plastics, once you have molded it, it cannot be soft again by heating, or you can say it cannot be again molded. Okay, so such plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Okay, so you see here, for example, bakelite. This bakelite, it is a very poor conductor of heat and electricity. So, it is used in the making of switches, wires, etc. Okay. Then we have the melamine. Okay. So, this, it is this melamine, we use it, in making of the, you can say the containers, or, you can say the, set of kitchens, because, it can resist fire. Okay, now, let us discuss about the characteristics of plastic. Okay, before discussing the characteristics, I think, if you go to the market and, usually you things, or, you might see, most of the things, I'm not saying everything, but most of the things, if you observe carefully, you will see it is wrapped in plastic, or you can see that they are kept in polythene bags. Yes, so and if you go for a container, or if you find some other accessories, most of the things you will find it is made of plastic. Whether it is a chair, or whether it is a table, or so many stuff, endless, it is all made up of plastic. Okay, so why plastic is a material of choice for us? Why? Each and everything we find of plastic. Why? So let us see and let us discuss it briefly, So you see, first, plastic has light weight, it is lower in price, it has good strength and easy to handle. So plastic is, very light weighted, okay, it's not heavy. So as it is not heavy, it is very easy to handle. You can take a plastic bag anywhere, you can carry the things easily. Yes, it is lower in price also, it is not that expensive. Okay, anybody and everybody can afford it. Okay. Next we have plastic is non-reactive. Okay, plastic does not react. It is non-reactive. It does not react with the air and water. Okay, it does not react with air and water. That is why it is used to store various materials including chemicals. So you see, as it is a non-reactive thing, so plastic, we use plastic to keep many materials, whether it is food item or even chemicals. Chemicals are also sometimes kept in the plastic containers. Okay. Now you see, plastics are generally cheaper than metals and they are used in industry and for household articles. So you see, this plastic, it is cheaper than metals, and that's why you can say, they are also used in the industries. Okay, and you see here, they are also used for household articles. If you look around your house only, you will find so many plastic containers. You will find plastic bottles. You will find we have, plastic chairs at home. We have plastic table at home, right? So many things you will find is made up of plastic. Okay. Now you see, plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, rolled into sheets or made into wires. So you see, this plastic, it can be, it can be recycled, it can be reused, it can be colored, it can be molded in any shape. Okay. So I think these are the reason, or you can say that these are the characteristics, why you will find, why plastic is very popular among us and why do we use plastic, around, and why we have so many articles made up of plastic. Okay, so these were the characteristics also, and this is, you can say that these were the reasons also, we choose plastic because of such reasons. Okay. So thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood. See you in the next class. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.